If you're into mobile gaming, you've probably faced a familiar dilemma. Smartphones are easy to carry around, but their compact displays can make it harder to see everything happening on screen. Larger tablets solve that problem, but after only a few matches, your hands and wrists can start to feel the strain. It almost feels like an arm workout. So today, let's talk about what type of device actually delivers the best mobile gaming experience. Red Magic believes it has the answer with the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro, which will be released globally as the Red Magic Astra 2.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Tech Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
It features a 9.06-inch high-resolution OLED display with an ultra-fast 185 Hz refresh rate, while also promising to sustain top-level performance during long gaming sessions. When it comes to design, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro immediately carries the brand's recognizable identity. It features a transparent rear panel, futuristic mecha-inspired styling, and an unmistakable esports aesthetic. This time, however, Red Magic has moved away from its signature built-in cooling fan and introduced a new cooling solution that combines a vapor chamber with liquid metal and a water cooling system. Whether this approach performs better is something we'll test later, but being the only mass-produced tablet equipped with true water cooling certainly gives it a premium and unique appeal. For a gaming tablet, comfort is just as important as raw performance, and that's where the 9.06-inch form factor really shines. It feels much easier to hold in landscape mode than larger tablets, and doesn't become tiring after extended gaming sessions. Red Magic has also kept its signature uninterrupted full-screen design on the front. Although the dimensions are nearly identical to the previous model, the weight has been reduced to just 363 grams, making it noticeably more comfortable in everyday use. One feature that's still missing is a dedicated 3.5mm headphone jack, which some gamers may miss. On the bright side, the dual USB-C port setup is a welcome upgrade. You can use USB-C headphones without sacrificing charging, and it also makes connecting external monitors or gaming accessories much more convenient. For players who enjoy a more complete gaming setup, this is a genuinely practical improvement. Looking at the display, most of the key specifications remain similar to the previous generation. You still get a 9.06-inch OLED panel with a sharp 2400 by 1504 resolution, while the bezel size and screen-to-body ratio are essentially unchanged. In our testing, the display reached a manual peak brightness of 728 nits, dropped to a minimum of just 3 nits, and climbed to 1165 nits under strong outdoor lighting, matching the performance of the previous model. That level of brightness is more than enough for comfortable outdoor use in most situations. The biggest upgrade, however, is the display's impressive 185 Hz refresh rate. That's an unusually high figure for a mobile device, especially a tablet. In theory, this should deliver noticeably smoother animations and faster visual feedback, especially in competitive FPS games where every frame can make a difference.
The tablet continues to use a side-mounted fingerprint scanner built into the power button for quick and convenient unlocking. And to fully take advantage of that ultra-smooth 185 Hz display, it needs equally powerful hardware under the hood. That's exactly what Red Magic has packed in, with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, the Red Core R4 gaming chip, the Synaptics S3930 touch controller, and the Cube Sunny Day Game Engine 3.0 working together. This combination helped the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro achieve an impressive Antutu benchmark score of 3.83 million. Of course, benchmark numbers only tell part of the story. What really matters is how the tablet performs during actual gameplay. Starting with the popular MOBA title Honor of Kings, the tablet delivered an average frame rate of 145.6 FPS at the highest graphics settings, while the 1% low frame rate stayed at an excellent 143.9 FPS. Average power consumption measured 5.07 watts, and by the end of the test, the back of the tablet reached only 36.6 degrees Celsius. Even after extended gaming sessions, the tablet remained comfortable to hold without becoming uncomfortably hot. Compact gaming tablets are usually more susceptible to heat buildup and performance throttling, but that wasn't the case here. Using a thermal camera during testing, we could clearly see the heat concentrated in the central core area on the back of the device.
That shows the integrated water cooling system isn't simply there for visual appeal. It plays a real role in maintaining stable performance, while also keeping the areas where your hands rest much cooler during long gaming sessions.
The tablet also delivered impressive results in two more popular FPS titles. In Delta Force, using Fire Zone mode, it achieved an average frame rate of 165.2 FPS, while the 1% low stayed at 113 FPS. Average power consumption came in at 6.75 watts, and the rear temperature peaked at just 39.6 degrees Celsius. Switching over to Dark Zone mode, performance remained just as strong, averaging 165.5 FPS with a 1% low frame rate of 126.6 FPS. Even under this workload, the back of the tablet still reached only 39.6 degrees Celsius. Next, it's time for the real challenge with two demanding titles, Genshin Impact and Honkai Impact 3rd. In Genshin Impact, running at the highest graphics settings, the tablet averaged 60.9 FPS over a 20-minute gaming session. The 1% low frame rate measured 50.8 FPS, while average power consumption was only 4.32 watts. After the test, the rear temperature reached a comfortable 36.9 degrees Celsius. Honkai Impact 3rd is another game well known for pushing mobile hardware to its limits. During the demanding golden hour scenario, the tablet maintained an average of 60.9 FPS throughout the 20-minute test. The 1% low frame rate came in at 55.2 FPS, average power consumption was 5.02 watts, and the back of the device reached 38.7 degrees Celsius. Overall, both titles stayed remarkably close to a locked 60 FPS during gameplay, with no signs of hidden frame rate reductions to keep temperatures under control. That suggests the tablet has enough internal cooling capacity, proving that its water cooling and VC cooling combination can serve as a practical alternative to the traditional fan-based cooling system. Another interesting feature is the built-in PC emulator, something longtime Red Magic users will already be familiar with. Although it isn't a brand new feature, using it on the 9.06-inch display creates a noticeably different experience. During testing, Cyberpunk 2077 ran at an average of 49.14 FPS. While it's not quite smooth enough for perfect gameplay yet, seeing Night City running at nearly 50 FPS on an Android tablet makes it feel surprisingly close to a compact PC gaming device. Battery life has also received a small upgrade. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro increases its battery capacity by 100 mAh, bringing the total to 8,300 mAh. We carried out a 3-hour mixed-usage battery test that included 4K video recording, reading, video streaming, and 30 minutes each of CF Cloud and Honkai Star Rail. By the end of the test, the tablet had consumed just 38% of its battery. For charging, the tablet includes a 100-watt charger in the box and supports up to 80-watt fast charging. In our testing, it completed a full charge in just 49 minutes. Looking at the remaining hardware, the tablet comes equipped with a 9-megapixel front-facing camera and a 13-megapixel rear camera. The stereo speakers have been upgraded from the previous 1620 to 1227 speakers, while the dual X-axis linear vibration motors have been carried over for an even more immersive gaming experience. As for pricing, the base version of the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro starts at 4,999 yuan in China, which is roughly £556 in the UK and around $736 in the United States. To wrap everything up, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro sits right in the sweet spot between a smartphone and a full-size tablet, offering a form factor that's ideal for competitive mobile gaming. The biggest limitation at the moment is the 185Hz display, as only a handful of games currently support such a high refresh rate. Hopefully, Red Magic will continue improving game compatibility through future updates. So, what do you think about this latest Red Magic Gaming Tablet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.